Semiconductor manufacturing involves various processes that transform a wafer into microchips with high accuracy, repeatability, and functionality. A wafer, after being deposited with a conductive or dielectric material, undergoes a series of processes to generate layered patterns that establish interconnections among the different electronic components in a microchip. Patterning is considered one of the most crucial processes in developing a design, as it involves creating the intricate patterns necessary for a microchip. Patterning is achieved through the photolithography process that involves exposing the substrate, which is typically a wafer coated with various layers of materials, to light that has a specific wavelength through a patterned reticle. The reticle contains the pattern, or design, for the microchip. This method of exposure transfers the pattern from the reticle onto the photoresist-coated wafer. The pattern is then developed on the wafer by stripping the photoresist from the exposed areas in the case of positive photoresist and stripping the photoresist from the unexposed areas in the case of negative photoresist. Following the development process is the etching process, which involves removing material from the wafer surface that is not protected by the photoresist. The etching process is typically done through plasma, although liquid chemicals may also be used. To improve the conductivity of silicon, dopants or impurities are introduced through the ion implantation process. Ion implantation can make an N-type or a P-type semiconductor material, as well as modify the physical properties of the deposited material to form junctions in less advanced semiconductor devices, such as diodes and transistors. Selective epitaxy, which involves controlled deposition of a crystalline layer only in predefined regions, is used to form junctions in more advanced semiconductor devices, such as logic gates and memory devices. Finally, to transfer the complete circuit design onto the wafer, various mechanical and chemical processes, such as deposition, chemical-mechanical polishing, or CMP, are repeated multiple times, along with patterning, etching, and ion implantation processes. These processes help create the millions of transistors and their contacts, interconnects, vias, and other structures necessary for the function of a complex microchip.